Rule all-in-one USB-C hub. The intelligent USB-C adapter has perfectly combined all the functions you need. USB-C to HDMI hub equipped with 4K HDMI, Gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 ports, 10 gigabits per second, USB-A 3.1 Gen 2 port, 10 gigabits per second, 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, 5 gigabits per second, SD, micro SD card reader. All hub ports can work simultaneously, small yet mighty. Note: before purchasing, please check your laptop's DisplayPort standard if they support DisplayPort Alt Mode or video output. 4K video USB-C to HDMI adapter. The USB-C hub to HDMI adapter supports high-resolution up to 3840x2164K at 60 Hz and streams 4K or Full HD 1080p videos directly to HDTV, monitor or projector. For MacBook Pro, Air 2018-2019, 2020-2021, iPad Pro 2018-2020, it can reach up to 4K at 30 Hz. Note: only when your devices support 4K resolution, the video output will be 4K. Please make sure to use a HDMI 2.0 cable or better. Fast speed 10 gigabits per second USB 3.1 data transfer. USB 3.1 data ports are primed to transfer large files up to 10 gigabits per second, 20 times faster than USB 2.0 ports. Super fast transfer of files, videos, photos, HD movies from your hard drive or USB stick to a Type-C laptop in seconds without waiting. Please note: the USB-C port only supports data transmission, not video transmission and charging function. SD, microcard reader 1000M Gigabit Ethernet. Speed up to 104 megabits per second for USB-C, Type-C, Thunderbolt 3 devices to access files from SDTF card reader. Quickly view your photos or videos, perfect for photographer or designer, etc. An SD and TF card can work simultaneously. The built-in RJ45 Ethernet LAN provides an ultra-fast and stable network of a wired connection. Don't worry about USB 3.0 wireless instability and interference. Broad compatibility warranty. The sleek and tiny USB-C hub, compatible with almost all Type-C devices including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro as well as operating systems includes Windows and macOS, iPad OS. You will get 24 months warranty for the product quality of a full refund or new replacement service, 7/24 customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Everything that Apple didn't include at the right price. Apple should include this device with their MacBooks. Anyone doing serious work on a MacBook needs an external display, hardwired Ethernet and an external keyboard. This device has everything and it all works great.